Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for Thursday afternoon, September 13th, Tiger Minute. Keep everybody updated of what's going on. We've had an awesome week of homecoming spirit, a lot of champion behavior, a lot of champion clothing has been worn this week, a lot of champion spirit has been on display at the high school, and I'm really proud of it. Looking forward to tomorrow. Tomorrow is a maroon out and school pride day, so we're all going to kind of wear our maroon and just be proud to be a Fighting Tiger and get ready to cheer on our Fighting Tigers as they will take on Ohio County High School tomorrow night at Tiger Field. Game time will be at 7 o'clock. We will have homecoming festivities prior to the game, prior to kickoff, and that'll start at 6:30. We're going to ask for all of our court to line up at the middle school bus ramp at 6 o'clock. There will be a dance immediately following the football game. It'll be a rave. It'll be from 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. It is free admission to the dance. There are shirts for sale for $5, and you'll have the opportunity to decorate those tomorrow night at the ball game. Next week, we have a couple things going on this weekend. Our soccer team will be at Fort Knox. On Monday, our volleyball team will be at Ohio County. Our volleyball team will then be in action on Tuesday against Hancock County, and then our volleyball team will be in action again on Thursday against Owensboro Catholic. Our soccer team will be in action on Wednesday as they will host Meade County in a big district game. On Saturday, our soccer team will host Warren East. Our golf team will be in action on Tuesday only as they're getting ready for their regional tournament, which is next week, the 24th and 25th. Our Fight Tiger football team next week, we'll have our JV team hosting Butler County on Monday. And then our freshman football team will be hosting Evans County on Thursday. And our Fighting Tiger football team will close out the week as they host Louisville Western here on Friday at Tiger Field. Farm Safety Week is also here this week. That'll be on Thursday and Wednesday. And then we will also have Graham Photography in to do portrait retakes on Friday. That's all I have for this Thursday update. I hope everybody has a wonderful afternoon, and look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow.